Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very quick episode. I received another Blu-ray inside the mail. Unfortunately, this one won't be a surprise to me as I've already read the packaging and I know what's inside of it. So I wish I hadn't did that. I wish I would have just opened it with a blind eye, but I kind of accidentally read that, so I already know. Let's go ahead and pull this tab off of here. And you guys already know because you read the description. So this is Golgo 13, the very first Golgo 13 movie that has ever come out. And this one came out in the year 1973. This is starring Ken Takakura as the title character, Golgo 13, aka Duke Togo is his alias. And this Blu-ray had actually come out inside of the UK for the very first time and the United States for the first time. The one inside the UK, as I believe inside the United States as well, maybe not the United States, but at least in the UK, this release is from Eureka Entertainment. And like I said, this is the first time that this has ever come out on this format, not only in Blu-ray, but also inside of another country outside of Japan. I believe this movie was shot in Israel back at the time in 1972, 1973. It is a film by a Japanese film director, Junya Satō. Now, why did I buy, me being an American, why did I buy the UK version of this film as opposed to the US version of it? Well, the UK version has this special limited edition packaging with this limited slipcover and art by Mr. Tony Stella, which is fantastic artwork. He's did some of the Bruce Lee artwork for the Bruce Lee at Golden Harvest box set, as well as a plethora of other martial arts and international and Asian movies on Blu-ray and 4K and things like that. He's did plenty of these covers. But I really love this character, maybe about as much as I love James Bond. Quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing the 2006 James Bond Seamaster from Casino Royale now, just to let you know how much I love that character. But this one is only limited from Eureka Entertainment to 2,000 copies of this one with the slipcover, and so I bought this because I am a big fan of the character. Character debuted in 1968, and yeah, he's been around for quite a while. Let me just check real quick to see if I'm missing anything else. So this is a first run print of these 2,000 copies. This is obviously, with it being a Blu-ray, it's 1080p, but this is from a 2K restoration. And it has an optional English subtitles, which I need, obviously. And it has some biographies, it looks like on Junya Satō, and an interview with the film writer Tetsuya Matsuto and film critic Masaki Nomura. All right. Brand new video piece on the career of Ken Takakura, the trailer, plus a limited edition plus a limited edition collector's booklet, and this is only included inside the first print run of these 2,000 copies with this slip case on here. So let me go ahead and get this out of here, and let me do it safely because I don't want to destroy my packaging. All right, I'm trying my best. I knew I should have brought the scissors inside of here. All right, here we go. I'm getting close. Getting close. Supposed to be a quick video, but it's not if I can't get this thing out. So I really like the sleeve on here, the slip case. It's quite nice. Let's move that to the side. Give you guys a nice look at that. This is what we're dealing with on the spine here, as well as the back. You guys can go ahead and pause that and take a look at it at your own leisurely time. And here goes the other spine with nothing on it. All right. So the back, it says Golgo 13, both in English and in Japanese katakana characters there. And I'm going to read all of this writing on the back. It says the first film adaptation of the long-running manga series by Takao Saito, I keep saying Sato for whatever reason. Director Junya Satō cast Ken Takakura, who was the original inspiration for the character, as the mysterious and stoic killer for hire, who always completes his assignment, usually with his signature scoped M16 rifle. Golgo 13 is hired to eliminate Max Boa, the head of a Middle Eastern crime syndicate specializing in kidnapping and forced prostitution. Filmed entirely in pre-revolution Iran. So I was completely wrong about that. I think I said Israel, but this was in Iran, as it says here. Golgo 13 was a huge success across Asia, but was rarely seen in the West until now. Eureka Classics is proud to present Golgo 13 and its UK home video debut from a new restoration. Special Blu-ray edition. Limited edition slipcase features new artwork by Tony Stella, 1080p presentation on Blu-ray from a 2K restoration of the original film elements, optional English subtitles, brand new audio commentary by action cinema experts Mike Leeder and Arne Venema, Lucky 13, Junya Satō's biographers on Golgo 13, brand new interview with film writer Tatsuya Matsuto and film critic Masaki Nomura, original theatrical trailer, plus a limited edition collector's booklet featuring a new essay by Japanese cinema expert Tom Mess. And this is from 1973. Of course, the next movie came out in, I know I'm going to mess this up, I believe it was 1977 with Sonny Chiba. It could have been 1978, but I believe it was 77. Then, after that came the third movie, which was the first animated movie, which was The Professional Golgo 13 in 1983. And then in 1998 was Golgo 13 Queen Bee, which was a straight-to-video animated movie. So in total, 2 live action, 2 animated, and 4 movies in total. So let's go ahead and let's take this out of this slip box there. You're greeted with the same artwork in a clear case, Blu-ray case. The disc essentially looks the same. And taking a look at the booklet here, it's a very thin booklet, so don't expect that essay to be anything in depth. But it's a very cool looking cover there. I like that a lot. Really flimsy. Let's see how many pages are inside of here. On the first page, you are greeted with cast and crew credits here. All right, so the director, screenplay, cinematographer, music editing, and then the cast. I'm not going to read all that stuff off. It looks like the first issue number 1, Golgo 13 comic book here. It looks exactly like that. So this is pretty much a love letter to Golgo 13 fans. It says, "Love is a loaded gun" by Tom Mess. And I'm not going to read this, but I will flip through these pages. Let me do it slowly so that you guys can have a look at that. Here goes some artwork from the comic here. All right, this is page 8 and 9. All right, keep moving. Trying not to get so much of the reflection of the light inside of here. All right, there we go. So all in all, it's 19 pages inside of this book. It said there's some viewing notes on page 18. It says this is presented in its original 2.40 .1 aspect ratio. For widescreen systems screening this disc, the display mode should be toggled. via corresponding button on the remote control or in-screen setup menu until the frame appears with its original dimensions intact. Letterbox with black bars bordering the top and bottom of the image. Okay. Special note, please calibrate your display settings in order to experience this film optimally. Optimally. Many factory default settings are neither suitable nor desirable. 4K Ultra HD displays often have a filmmaker or cinema setting available, but please ensure any motion smoothing settings are switched off so the view for the I can't read anything today. So the film could be viewed as intended. And then we got the Blu-ray credits here of the people that mastered this one with the producer, packaging design, booklet editor, disc authoring, and press and PR. Some more special thanks and things like that. And on the back, it just has Golgo 13 sniping and it says Eureka. Let me hold it up to my nice camera so that you guys can see that. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to watch this one as well as I won't be able to watch. I lost it already. I have my Bruce Lee at Golden Harvest box set over there that I bought from the UK, but I'm still waiting on my region-free Blu-ray player to come from the United States, which should be any day now, and then I can go ahead and delve into this film and give it a review. I looked at bits and pieces of it on YouTube, which was not ideal at all. Not only could I not understand it, but the quality was bad and I didn't understand what was going on at all. So I'll be able to look at this for the first time with fresh eyes and from beginning to end in one sit through and be able to understand what it's finally about. Let me go ahead and grab this Bruce Lee real quick. All right, so I don't think this is the one with the artwork by Tony Stella. I forget the guy's name who did the artwork of this Bruce Lee set. But Tony Stella, who did the cover of this, did the cover. This is the limited edition version of the Bruce Lee set. But he did the non-limited edition with the red box instead of the yellow box. So you could see Tony Stella's artwork on that. But can't wait to look at both of these. I got about 10 films inside of this box. Plus this one. So these are the reasons why I bought a region-free Blu-ray DVD player. As well as because I'm here inside of Japan, I have 500 American DVDs, and then I can look at Japanese Blu-rays as well. So that'll be pretty cool. Anyways, that has been my unboxing of Ken Takakura in Golgo 13, a film by Junya Satō. Can't wait to see it, and then I'm going to give you guys another review over this. All right, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Salute to you wherever you may be out inside the world. If you found this video informative or entertaining inside the least bit, make sure to leave me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. And until next time, keep it classy. I'm out. Peace.